truly breathing apparatus to you. At first, I need to knock the car. We have 4 wheels using, and each wheel is with a lock. Just need to press the lock. And for our trolley, we have 4 cylinders. So at first, I need to take another cylinder. Okay, this is our composite cylinder, standard 3.8 liters, with the air pressure 300 bar. And this is the safety valve. Before we use the airline trolley breathing apparatus, we need to refining the air to make sure the person is under training. And let me install the cylinder. We need to put the cylinder into the belt, okay? And we could turn it. Make sure the connector is here, and then we use the belt to install it tightly. Okay, and then you see we need to install the handle. Okay, to make sure it's installed tightly. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces cylinders, so the total service time will be around 4 hours. And here we have the high pressure gauge, an alarm system, and we have the reducer and a low pressure gauge. And each hose connects to the cylinders. Okay, and you see here is the handle. And just check here. Our handle is adjustable. We could turn it out and then put it up or down so that could adjust to the correct position. And okay, before we use the airline trolley, we need to open the cylinder. How to open? Just open the cylinder here. And here is the box, storage box. Then open it. Inside the box, we have 2 pieces safety belt. At first, adjust the safety belt. And you see there are some hooks. I will tell you the application later. And also we have 2 pieces 4-piece mask. This is our 4-piece mask. The material is made of silicone, and the PC visual. Here's the connector to demount the valve, and here's the Kevlar mesh. And we also have 2 pieces demount the valve. Okay, come here. Here is our wheels. You see, here is the handle, and there is a lock here. Let me open it. Okay, now it's open. And before we use the trolley, as you know, we have 2 pieces sub-horse used for 2 persons, and here is the main horse. We need to turn the wheel and take the horse out. Just the turn, okay. And we need to take out the white piece. Install the white piece to the main horse, like this. And here we have another 2 pieces 10 meters horse, so it's used for 2 persons. And we need to install the connector here, first connection, and another connector, same. This, okay. To make sure it's installed tightly. And you see, we have the hook here, and we need to knock the hook on our belt. After that, take our 4-piece mask and demand valve. We could connect the demand valve at first, like here. Okay. And wear our 4-piece mask. And adjust the 5 straps to make sure breathing smoothly. Okay. And here, our demand valve need to connect to the hose. Use the first connector too. When we're using the equipment, we need to take out and so that we could operate for a long distance. For example, for the coal mine, for the confined space, and firefighting, and in some situations that the SCBA is not available to service.